So the question is, how do you control the speed on an e-bike? And the answer is different depending on where you are, because for example in the US there are 3 different classes of bikes that are legal by some definitions in some states, and some of those do contain throttles, usually push button throttles rather than the twisty type, I think. But you can press a button, you can go, and you can adjust the speed that way. But here in the UK at least, and Europe I think, they are pedal assist bikes, EPEACs. And the way they work is just you pedal them like you would a manual bike. The only difference is you get help to pedal. The motor will make it easier for you to turn the pedals. But especially on a bike with a torque sensor, they are very good at interpreting your pushing. So it's not that the engine switches on without you kind of controlling it and it pushes you. It is just that you get help to turn the cranks. So to control your speed, you cycle fast, you pedal faster. Or to go slower, you pedal slower. You got your brakes just on a normal bike. They are literally and specifically the same as a manual bike. The only difference is the motor makes that job of turning the pedals much easier. But I will say, it feels phenomenally natural. I mean, it feels weird the first time you get on one because suddenly it feels like gravity's been turned off and you can fly, but the mechanics of propelling the bike are exactly the same as a manual bike.